You swipe card for bread and milk. Screen flashes, pay in monthly installments. When did basic survival become debt trap? Welcome to terrifying reality of modern economy. This is no drill. Look at this receipt. Numbers make no sense. Food costs skyrocket, but paychecks stay same. Every single week, wallet get lighter while bellies stay empty. How did we get here? Watch register. Shoppers tap phones, splitting bread and eggs into 4 payments. Families max credit cards on weekly food runs. Basic groceries cost fortune. Survival now requires debt. We buy food on credit. Look at this chart. Grocery debt skyrockets. People finance weekly food. Experts warn this is massive red flag. When you must borrow money to eat, economy is in deep trouble. Look at her. Last month, she bought cheap groceries to survive. Now, high interest rates turn those simple meals into permanent debt. Trap snapped shut. She cannot pay it off. Look at their plates. Barely enough to get through the night. Every dollar counted, every bill feared. When did putting dinner on the table become a luxury they can no longer afford? Mom and dad go hungry tonight. Kids eat cheap noodles bought on credit. Then, the bank notification hits. Balance below zero. How much longer can this family survive on empty stomachs and borrowed time? The register beeps. Card declined. The limit is reached. No food tonight. They walk out of the store, hands empty and stomachs growling. A family left in the cold, facing the harsh reality of their debt. Look at these lines. Food banks face record crowds because families have hit their absolute limit. Credit cards are maxed out. Now, parents wait in the cold for hours just to put food on the table. Phones ring without end. Debt collectors call day and night, demanding payment for food eaten months ago. The pressure builds. How long can you survive when your past meals come back to haunt your wallet? Food debt ruins credit scores. Families pay grocery loans instead of rent. Now, landlords throw them onto the streets. How did eating become a financial death sentence? Look at this disaster. Imagine choosing between freezing in the dark or starving. Millions of families now turn off heaters and skip vital medications to pay off grocery debt. This is the brutal, freezing reality of survival today. Look at these bills. Parents sit in the dark, staring at numbers they can't pay. The debt trap tightens its grip, and suddenly they realize there is no way out. The cycle wins again. Empty shelves line walls. Poor neighborhoods lose grocery stores. Now, desperate families crowd streets, protesting rising food costs. They have nothing left to eat. What happens when hunger turns to anger? Debt bubble popped. Plates sit empty. Cash is now useless paper. When credit system collapses completely, how many days will you survive? Write your plan in comments below.